All right, so here it is, finally here, fresh off the FedEx truck. Isn't that what all of us always say, man? Fresh off the FedEx truck, but we got it. We got it. Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Now, I wasn't gonna do an unboxing. Usually, I like to open the phone up and enjoy the unboxing experience off camera, but the foldables is always something a little bit different. Even last year when I had the Z Fold 2, I was like, I feel like I got to do this because the excitement of cross camera, everybody felt it. They felt my excitement when I unboxed that Z Fold 2 last year, and I feel like it may be the same thing with the Z Flip 3. This is my first Z Flip device. I did not use the first one, the second one, or whatever it was called, just because it was 5G. It was the second one. I didn't use that one. I literally just glanced at this at Best Buy, picked it up one time, and put it back down. So this is all gonna be brand new. Should be pretty exciting. So let's go ahead and get into it. Z Flip 5G, of course, as you can see, I went with the Phantom Black. And one thing that I can't stand is why can't all the color just be available the day you pre-order? Why I couldn't get the white or all the rest of those Samsung exclusive colors? Now we gotta wait 5 to 6 weeks for those. I don't know, man. I can't stand it. I wish phone manufacturers will stop doing that. But let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is. Let's move that to the side. Here it is, and here you are greeted with the phone. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and go through everything and tell you, you know what's not in the box, we don't got the charger, we know that now. Stop saying that in unboxing videos. We already know we don't get the charger. We know we don't get nothing but nothing. That's it. So let's just not even talk about it. We know we get in the box. You guys know we came to see. Galaxy Z Flip 3. Little bars right there, actually, man. Record deal. But let's go ahead and get it about the packaging. All right. Better make sure my cameras are recording because there's only one time that I can do an unboxing like this, but here it is, man. Z Flip 3. First thing right offhand, this thing is stupid thin. I'm talking about this is probably one of the thinnest phones that I've held in a while. Like, this is very thin to be a smartphone because especially when you're talking about Samsung, we used to little thicker devices, the Note, the S21 lines, the Z Fold 3 is a whole brick in its own. But this right here feels really good. And of course you can see you get that Phantom Black color. Not going to show a ton of fingerprints. It's going to show some. People say it's not going to show any. It does show some. You can already see some on my device right here. But as you can see, you get the two cameras, you get that front display right there up top, and you get that screen. And I felt like in hand it was going to be a little bit too long, but I feel like I can still reach everywhere and I have pretty big hands. But you already know, Z Flip, it's time to flip this bad boy. So boom. That is insane how small this gets. And another thing, real quick, because I just know it just glanced in the frame. I know I got an Apple Watch on. This just hush. I know a lot of people gonna say, but he's unboxing the Samsung watch with an Apple Watch on. I know. I'm waiting on my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic to get here tomorrow. So shush. But just looking at this right here, man, this hinge is so sturdy. When they say it opens up at any position, yeah, this is exciting. This is what you get excited for when we're talking about smartphones. This is true innovation. This is excitement, not the same old boring stuff that we always see year after year, and it doesn't really give us no type of innovation. And it's just, you know, you get a little bit bored with it. You love it, but you get bored with it. You know what I mean? But this is what it's about when it comes to this, man. So let's go ahead and do as all the YouTubers say. Let's see if it has some power. Why do we always say that, man? We know it has a little bit of power. How many times have you been delivered a phone and it's been dead? I don't think I've ever been delivered a dead phone. We know it got power. Quit saying it all the time. So let's power it on real quick. Takes a second, and boom, there it is. Now I know a lot of people said, you know, you can feel the crease as you run your finger across it and you can see the crease. First of all, it's a folding phone. How are you not gonna see the crease or feel the crease? That is just what it is. It's a folding phone. Something has to fold. So of course, whatever's folding, you're gonna feel it. You see what I'm saying? So I hate that that's a thing. Oh, I feel the crease when I scroll. How else are you gonna do it? How else are you gonna do it? So here it is. You're greeted with that 6.7-inch full HD screen. And that was one thing that was kind of like when it came to the device, because I really love my Quad HD, but I think this is gonna be good with the PPI and the way the dimensions are of the screen. So let me go ahead and run through the setup real quick. I just want to get to the home screen so I can really see the colors and see what this full HD display looks like. So let me go ahead and run through the display and we're gonna be right back. All right, so we got it all set up. Of course, I still gotta do some installing. I gotta put my main SIM card in here and everything, but I just wanna get it open and run through the setup so I can look at the actual display quality. Now, me looking at this, I'm a person that can tell between 60, 90, 120 hertz, and I'm also a person that can tell between full HD and quad HD. Now, looking at this real good, I mean, you have to really be hard pressed to sit here and stare at it. I can tell that it's not as sharp as quad HD, but that's just me. You know what I mean? That's just me and just my sticklerness when I come to like displays. You see what I'm saying? But overall, man, I can't wait to really get this thing loaded up, get it customized with my icon packs, everything like that, and just really dive into this. First of all, man, if you want to see what's going on with the Z Flip 3 on this channel, make sure y'all hit that sub button and turn the bell on, because I will be dropping videos left and right just about every other day. Not every single day. I don't know how y'all do that, but like every other day, we're going to be getting into this because I will be using this exclusively as my main device. I'm not going to say daily driver, but my main phone number will be in this device, and then we're going to be using it, man. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Just the experience of a flip phone. Also, you know, the main Achilles heel that everybody seems to be talking about is the battery life. So I'm really curious to see how the battery life is with this flip. But initial impressions, man, amazing piece of technology. The hinge feels so good, so smooth. It just, I'm amazed at what Samsung is doing over there when it comes to these foldable devices, man. So stay tuned to the channel. You already know we're gonna get into an accessory videos. You know I'm the case guy, so we got a bunch of cases already for them. I'm probably gonna start filming some of those between tonight and tomorrow. We're gonna get into those. You can probably expect that 48 hours later, or maybe 24 hours later. Once I get it all loaded up, going to use it heavy tonight. Got some of my fellas live streams to watch on this tonight. I do have the Galaxy Buds 2, so we're going to get into those a little bit. And also, like I said a little bit earlier, we do have the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46 mil that is set to be delivered tomorrow, man. So stay tuned to the channel. It's some exciting times coming right here, man. Z Flip 3 5G, getting into plenty of coverage, man. But yo, this is just the unboxing. Like I said, come back. We got plenty more. Excellent feeling phone, man. Just a nice piece of technology by Samsung. So you already know, man, technically do all the YouTube things. Like, hit that comment. Let me know what videos you want to see. Do you want to compare it to the iPhone? I'm really interested about the cameras to see how they perform. So we're going to get into that. But if there's a particular video that you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section down below. I do got a fun video coming with my girlfriend, man, that we're going to be talking about this phone together on camera. Smash that like button for that. It should be hype, man. But hit that, like I said, comment, like, hit the sub button, importantly, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on any Z Flip 3 videos. But until next time, everyone, please be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.